Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen blenders. A good blender is the backbone of your kitchen, whether you're a health nut or a culinary genius. We're talking about the top 5 blenders that should grace your countertop in 2025. First up, we've got the godfather of blenders, the Vitamix 5200. This beast is a legend for a reason. Its motor, more power than a raging bull, enough to pulverize ice and turn nuts into butter. Smoothies, soups, sauces, dips, even hot soup straight from the blender jar. The Vitamix 5200 can handle it all. The blades are aircraft-grade stainless steel, sharper than my wit after a double espresso. Yes, it's an investment, but a good chef always invests in the best tools. This isn't just a blender, it's an investment in your health and culinary prowess. If you're serious about your kitchen game, the Vitamix 5200 is the way to go. Next up, we've got the Blendtec Total Blender, another serious contender. This machine is all about power and precision with pre-programmed settings for everything from smoothies to hot soup. Just press a button and it does the thinking for you. It can handle anything you throw at it, from frozen fruit to leafy greens. And let's not forget about durability. This thing is built like a tank. It's designed to withstand even the most enthusiastic blending sessions. If you're looking for a blender that's both powerful and user-friendly, the Blendtec Total Blender is a solid choice. Chapter 3. Ninja Professional Blender Budget-Friendly Brute Force. The Ninja Professional Blender is proof that you don't need to break the bank to get a decent bit of kit. It boasts total crushing technology, pulverizing ice and frozen fruit without sounding like a dying walrus. It's got multiple speed settings, a pulse function, and single-serve cups for your morning smoothies on the go. The plastic construction isn't as robust as the Vitamix or Blendtec, but for the price, you're getting a lot of blending power. If you're on a budget but still want a blender that can handle your daily grind, the Ninja Professional Blender is a great option. Chapter 4. KitchenAid. K400 style and substance, but mostly style. The KitchenAid. K400 combines style and substance. It comes in a range of colors to match any kitchen decor. And it's not just a pretty face, the KitchenAid K400 can hold its own in the blending department. It's got a powerful motor and preset blending programs for smoothies, icy drinks and soup. While it performs well, it doesn't quite reach the heights of the Vitamix or Blendtec, but if you're looking for a blender that performs as well as it looks, the KitchenAid K400 is worth considering. Chapter 5. NutriBullet Pro Small but Mighty, for the right job. The NutriBullet Pro is perfect for solo chefs or anyone short on counter space. Don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch for smoothies and protein shakes. It's incredibly easy to use and a breeze to clean. This isn't the blender for large batches of soup or crushing mountains of ice. If you're looking for a convenient and compact blender for your morning smoothie, the NutriBullet Pro is a solid choice. There you have it, folks, the top 5 blenders to elevate your kitchen game in 2025. Whether you opt for the powerhouse Vitamix, the user-friendly Blendtec, the budget-friendly Ninja, the stylish KitchenAid, or the compact NutriBullet Pro, you're one step closer to culinary greatness. Now get out there, get blending, and remember, if your blender's not working as hard as you are in the kitchen, it's time for an upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and tips.